Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Garmin Forerunner 265, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find Garmin Forerunner 265, Garmin's traditional charging cable, a safety information pamphlet, and a startup guide. Charge your watch. To charge your Garmin Forerunner 265, just plug the charging cable into the charging port of the watch at the back of the watch. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug the other end into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. It typically takes up to 2 hours to reach a full charge from a low battery level. Set up with app. Start by turning your watch on and selecting your watch language. Tap the tick mark to connect with the phone. Then your watch will show you a QR code, scan it with your phone camera, and it'll automatically connect with your phone. Download and install the Garmin Connect app. Then open it. If you already have an account, sign into your account. Add your email and password, then tap Next. Tap Connected. Then it'll show you a 6-digit code. Tap on Pair and you'll be paired successfully. Tap Next to set your schedules and goal. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Garmin Forerunner 265 has 5 physical buttons. Button operations. Smart features. See your energy levels throughout the day so you'll know when your body is charged up and ready for activity or drained and needing to recharge with restful sleep. Get a sleep score and personalized coaching for how much sleep you need and how you can improve. Get workouts made for you. They adapt after every run to match your performance and recovery. Better understand how each workout affects your body and how much time you need to recover so you can take on any fitness challenge. Receive an overview of your sleep, recovery, daily calendar, HRV status, and more as soon as you wake up. Receive emails, texts, and alerts on your watch when paired with your iPhone or Android smartphone. Health features. Automatically track or log your naps to see how they benefit your body and the ideal time and duration they should be. Gain a deeper understanding of your overall health through heart rate variability while you sleep. Log your daily fluid intake as a reminder to stay hydrated. The Garmin Forerunner 265 constantly samples your heart rate so you can stay in the know all day and night. Find out if you're having a calm, balanced, or stressful day. Relax reminders will even prompt you to do a short breathing activity when you're feeling stressed. Track your menstrual cycle or pregnancy and get exercise and nutrition education. Log a 2-minute session to record key health stats, then generate a report to share with your healthcare provider. Track your blood oxygen saturation while you're awake or asleep. Help reduce stress, anxiety, and more with guided meditation practices. Fitness features. More than 30 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps, including walking, running, cycling, pool swimming, and more. Prepare for your next race, train for a milestone, or simply improve your fitness with Garmin Coach adaptive or pre-built running or strength training plans. Estimate how fit you are compared to your actual age. Create step-by-step workouts from more than 1,600 exercises in the Garmin Connect app and send them directly to your watch. See your current fitness level and track changes over time to set goals, evaluate progress, and more. Garmin connectivity. Breeze through checkout lines or transit systems with participating providers. Download songs and playlists from your Spotify, Deezer, or Amazon Music accounts for phone-free listening. If your watch senses that an incident occurred, it will send a message with your live location. Or if you feel unsafe, you can do it manually. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Garmin Forerunner 265. See you in the next one.